Bonjour, je m'appelle Pee-wee. My name is Pee-wee the dog, and this is my story.
This is me and Pee-wee. We just got him from the SPCA. Welcome to your new home, Pee-wee.
Hey, Pee-wee.
Oh, hi, what a good boy you are, Pee-wee. You're such a good boy. Oh my goodness, look at your snaggletooth.
Yes, it was the year 2020. I was adopted by such wonderful people. We enjoyed the summer together. We met these very gentle people, such nice mother, such nice families. We were able to visit all of the places in San Francisco. You see, I had a problem with my teeth. I had to do surgery. They took out 20 of my teeth. And as a result, I only had 8 teeth left. But it was nice. So I originally come from this Hotel Civic Center. My owner, Michael, he passed away, and eventually I was adopted. But originally it was this dog, Sonoma is the name. It attacked me 3 years ago. I know this because we ran into the owner who was living on the street. His name is Wesley. He told us that his dog Sonoma attacked me. Therefore, you see, I can be very particular with other dogs. Sometimes I'm nice. Sometimes I am not quite nice. But you see, I'm very engaged in all of the animals that encounter me in the street. But we had good times. We had very good times. We met gentle people, very nice friends, other nice dogs. It was a beautiful summer together. I received so many toys, beaucoup de toys. You know, as they say, I was able to get out of my shell. I was able to enjoy the world and have a second life. It was so nice. I don't know why they put this other character next to me. They call him Pee-wee, but no, I am the real Pee-wee. Yes. We had so many beautiful, jolly times at the beach. We went to the park. The bicyclette, this was a big part of my life. So many bicycles. With this gentleman, he always put me in the back of his bicycle. Same as this very kind lady. Then the skateboard. We would always go to the skateboard park, riding around on the wheels. Lots of amusement. And of course, it was the time for enjoying the nature. Such a beautiful time to enjoy the nature, because everyone, they're wearing the mask, and you can go outside and breathe the fresh air, fresh grass. You know, I made so many friends. They helped me gather my ability to walk again and run again. So many delicious foods. Originally, the vet gave me the chicken food, but I had allergy. And this man who take care of me, Joseph, he gave me vegetarian food. And I like the vegetarian food. And I met quite nice neighbors. Once a week, the Mr. Joseph, he would give me bath. I would get quite excited.
Say hello. Hi.
You know, they always put the funny costumes on me, the bow tie, the tie, the sweater. You know, I say, why do you do this to me? But in the end, they say I look cute. If I look cute, if you like it, I do it.
Mr. Pee-wee.
And
Let's go. Run to safety.
there was a point where I was in this film of this crazy man. He put me in his films. He put me on top of these bizarre cars and trucks. This is a story I have to tell you. One day they put me in this swimming suit. We go into the boat, the raft that they inflated, and we go and then we hit the rocks. We hit the rocks outside of the Chase Center. We get abandoned in the water, but we got out. And I find funny thing on the street, and I leave my mark. So many things. But you know, my favorite thing is when they were not looking. I like to jump on the bed. Because I say, my name is Pee-wee, so I say, mais oui, I will jump on the bed. Of course, I jump on the new couch as well. So many comfortable things. As you know, I had several other illnesses. But the people that take care of me, they bring me to the hospital. They give me the good care.
Hey, buddy.
I had the surgery to take out of the tumor out of my liver. They put a funny cone on my head.
Good guy.
But I recover. The Monsieur Joseph, he feed me spaghetti almost every day.
Didn't mind firing right through.
It was quite delicious. One day we go to the festival of the three-legged dogs. I say, why do you put me in this thing? I don't want to socialize with the other dogs. But it was cute.
Hey. Who is this?
We take a trip down to San Diego.
Hi, Sasha. Hi, Ray.
We had a very nice time in the summer. And there's one day we meet another dog.
Pee-wee.
He had amputation just like me. But you know, I'm more interested in smelling the urination on the street. We do many things. We go voting. We go to baseball game. We see the Dodgers beat the Giants. It's a horrific day. And we also go to the river in the Sacramento. We do the protest. We see the murals for the Black Power in Oakland. We see the Friends in Los Angeles. We take a road trip. We take nice time in the cars. Of course, we have a celebration for the Emmy graduation, and we see friends, we see family, we see the poetry friends. They read poetry. We see the Burning Man film, and of course, mes amis, my friends, they come and hug me. I am so grateful for these beautiful people. We take a trip, we go to a hotel, we go to see Mary Lou in San Diego and see our friends everywhere. Very grateful for all of these people. They bring so much joy to me. I bring the joy back to them. We go to the hospital as well. I cheer up the people in the hospital. We had difficult time, but you know, we come back together and everyone celebrates. It's a beautiful time every day. I will miss being here and kissing you and hugging you, but you know, I will always be with you.
Ocean breeze. Yes.
Je t'aime, je t'aime.